Welcome back to another episode of Dreamedia Man Cave Makeover. I'm your host, Zach, and on today's episode, we are going to be installing our Salamander Designs Ultra Short Throw cabinet in our winner's home. Let's start with the basics. An AV cabinet is a furniture piece designed to hold and organize your home theater equipment, such as your TV speakers and AV receiver. In this circumstance, it's going to be holding our ultra short throw projector and all of our components. It's important for the home theater because it not only protects your equipment, but it also keeps your space organized and visually appealing. Salamander Designs offers a wide range of AV cabinets that blend style and functionality seamlessly. They use high-quality materials such as solid wood, glass, and steel to create durable and aesthetically pleasing cabinets that complement any home theater decor. Their cabinets are also designed with the user in mind, featuring adjustable shelves, cable management systems, and ventilation, ensuring that your equipment stays cool and organized. Today, we will be featuring the Salamander Designs in the Oslo finish. This has been specifically designed for our brand new Epson LS800 Ultra Short Throw projector. The cabinet is made from solid wood and features a beautiful Oslo finish, which adds a touch of elegance to any room. The cabinet is also designed with functionality in mind, featuring a ventilated back panel for heat dissipation, adjustable shelves for easy equipment placement, and wire management channels to keep cables organized and out of sight. The UST Epson cabinet is easy to assemble and comes with clear instructions and all the necessary hardware. So let's talk about the cabinet a little bit. When you order the unit, it's gonna come on a freight truck on a big pallet, and you're definitely gonna make sure you have some buddies to help you out, or you hire one of the Dreamedia preferred installers to help you get it into the home. We had a very difficult time getting it up the stairs and around the corner, but we were able to maneuver everything and get it into the space with no hiccups. As you guys can see, the cabinets right now are not level. They're not even. And that's on purpose. They come to where you can adjust the hinges right here with a screwdriver, which I'm gonna be showing you in just a moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up these glass doors. The unit that we're featuring today is the Oslo finish. They also make this in a Chicago finish with the doors made out of like textured grass material. This one is glass, which is nice because if you aren't doing a universal remote that has RF, then you can just point your remote at your units and it'll go through the glass. Whereas the Chicago finish, you have to have a universal remote to control your devices when they're hidden behind the doors. There's also a third finish option, the Miami finish, which is perfect for super modern homes. It's a white finish. And you can get the Epson LS800 in the white finish as well. Okay, so we got our doors open. As you can see, the shelves do come separately so they don't bounce around in shipping. You can adjust your shelves very easily. There's micro adjustments where you can take it down in increments. Also, this whole front panel here comes off like this. And as you can see from the back side, this is acoustic fabric, guys. You can also install a center speaker behind the fabric right here. Although it is a little bit low to the floor. If you're trying to meet designer approval, you want a system where your speakers are completely hidden, it may be a good idea to put them in here and compromise sound quality a little bit. This is the Dreamedia Man Cave Makeover though. So we are gonna take it a little bit above and beyond, and we're gonna be mounting our center speaker to the wall at ear level so that we maximize the potential of our system. As you can see, there's also ventilation right here on the front. In addition to that, we have ventilation throughout the entire bottom, allowing everything to stay cool and breathe. We're gonna need to install our shelf here, which is where the projector is going to sit. I'm gonna be installing the amplifiers, which draw the most heat on this side. So I'm gonna be installing my cooling system that Salamander Designs has specifically manufactured to fit in this cabinet right here in this panel. This is an additional accessory that you can purchase when buying your Salamander Designs cabinet from us. I would highly recommend it, guys. You just plug it right into the wall or a USB adapter, and then right here you can control the temperature at which the fans kick on. So you have 96, 92, 88, and 84. What you do is you hook up your temperature sensor right to the top of your AVR, and that way it's getting a real read of the temperature of the unit, and then whenever it gets to that selected temperature, it will kick on the fans and ventilate your equipment, keeping it cool and lasting for years. Stay tuned for the next episode of Dreamedia Man Cave Makeover.